today now I'm going to announce the second prize. I would say first and foremost, second prize for the best big data AI and ML initiative, and the winner for the second prize in this category is Orange Retail Finance Limited. Friends, Orange Retail has implemented KYC validation, face match, collection control through artificial intelligence and document matching. The organization has taken up AI and ML technologies in areas such as auto KYC, document and verification, and face matching, and done a wonderful work during these pandemic times. My compliments and congratulations to the whole team of Orange Retail Finance. Thank you. I have a greater pleasure in announcing the first prize for the best cyber security initiative to none other than one of the most prestigious housing finance company, Aadhar Housing Finance Limited. Friend, this company has done a wonderful job in the times when people were really searching for the shelters. The implementation of new framework with focus on ease of understanding and implementation while keeping various RBI guidelines in check in the middle of pandemic. The cybersecurity transformation was affected by a plan well set in place to avoid any unforeseen circumstances and increased readiness against the cyber attacks to the organization. This led to the increased productivity and decreased unauthorized access. Wonderful, control as well as the productivity, a great combo. My compliments to the Aadhar Housing Finance team, and all the best for all the future endeavors. Thank you. Next prize in the category of API initiative. The second prize in the category of API initiative, the best API initiative was to Repco Microfinance Limited. Friends, as you know, Repco is using API initiatives in loan sanction workflow and core banking solutions to issue actual loans, providing a clear access to the CBS application from LSW, access of KYC documents in either application through all the APIs, reducing the barriers by having customized framework for easy transformation of information from LSW to CBS application. They have done a wonderful job again in this, because in the pandemic times, the technology came in handy for all the NBFCs, banks and the MFIs, and that has worked very well to keep our growth intact. Congratulations to the Repco team and all the best for the future work. And as I said, finance and technology go together, and that's the aim of this FinTech seminar by the Banking Frontiers. Thank you.